All right, so we were gonna be making it to Cars and Coffee on Saturday, but this guy decided to, what did you do, Teddy?
I decided to not care about torque specs and Hulkamania at this.
Snapped a nut off, or a bolt off into the head.
Not on standby like normal.
Oh, I haven't even started it yet today.
Man, it's like you need an intro.
Yeah, it's building motors over here.
Why do you always wear that inline pro shirt whenever you're up here building motors?
They didn't even pay me to wear this, which is hilarious. Free advertising. They stamp my block, give me a t-shirt because they know I'm going to wear it all the time. Next thing you know, I'm going to have tuning shirts on. Wait till I bleep that out because nobody knows yet.
I don't know, man. Looks like that one, it's on a little crooked.
Are you sure?
Something doesn't look right.
That one's actually where the V-Techs come out at. They come out at a certain angle. You know why I think I did, or why I think that dumb oil change video came out so good, like so many views, is because we were just being so dumb and saying the stupidest shit.
Now, did you get the other one? Did you get number 4?
I was just straightening it on, guy.
Well, you're gonna forget one, then we're gonna have big smoke blowing everywhere.
I think that one was already on.
Well, that one fell off now.
Guy, just let me do what I gotta do. Where's Teddy at? Always when you hear that little tick at the end, you know.
Be a bunch of haters saying that we're not using a seal installer.
Oh, yeah. There's always a bunch of haters.
That'll never work. Your motor's gonna blow up in 3 miles now.
Yeah, see, this is a little bit of an issue. That needs to come out of there. Yeah, I don't know where Teddy's at. He's probably drunk.
Probably.
Well, day drinking Teddy while he's at work. It's like this is tuning your S2000. We should get like a guitar tuner.
That's about a C flat. It sounds about right.
Wait till we make a video of like right behind the exhaust, like tuning it. Now we got to put on our donut seals. That's what I would call them.
Okay, and we're back from a short intermission here.
Yeah. And that one got a lot of goop on her.
There you go, just spread it around.
So what are we going to call our custom S2000 building shop?
What?
Whenever we start building custom S2000 motors, take down in my pro.
I don't know. I mean, we'd probably have to work hand in hand with them.
Yeah.
Because we can't machine things of that caliber. And you're really getting nuts on like everything. So just quit getting so nuts with it.
Good thing we got these new retainers and everything. We don't need to be dropping valves anywhere.
Hey,
that's
a common issue with these engines. Little tidbit of information, they'll actually take AP2 valve train parts and put them in an AP1 just because they're more reliable.
Really?
That's what I've read on the forums.
Alright, those are all in.
Are you sure?
Looks like it.
Did you put the right sizes in there?
Looks like it.
You lapped those, right?
Yes. Really get an extension on that thing. Alright, now let's put our coilovers in. Got these little mini coilovers in. Are these all the same?
I don't know, hopefully. I hope they are.
We should put a picture on Instagram. Got my new coils in. Oh man.
Tight coils on the bottom, please.
Just how I like my women. I wonder why like Eibach doesn't make these. Like springs is like, you know.
That is true. Now these are double beehive springs.
Really?
Versus the stock.
Versus single beehive.
You should be able to rev this thing to the moon. Just as long as we get the timing right on the chain. If we don't, we're not revving anywhere. Revving right to the scrapyard. It's a shame we're putting all these parts that look amazing on the inside. It's what's on the inside that counts, though.
That's what you get told when you're ugly.
Exactly. Yep. It's like when you got that stock body, this upgraded internals. It's like being ugly but a really nice person. Man, that's precise. Are you doing any porting work while you got this apart, or?
Nah.
I think instead of porting, you just turn up the boost.
That's what I've heard. It ports itself.
Boost fix everything.
Auto port.
Nice.
Cars and coffee.
Nice.
We said we were gonna make it cars and coffee.
I mean, we brought cars and coffee to us. That concentration.
Gonna make sure that these get on dirty side down. take our little metal nipples here. Oh, now you're
We're back.
Now you're back.
We're back.
Well, we got all the valves and springs and seated correctly. Looking really good. Getting the timing chain on. Hopefully this music doesn't get us copyright. Damn. So you think we should probably put a smaller spring in it this time?
Probably at least for break-in. These tunes are really gonna be messing up your.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be terrible.
What are you doing now?
Little S2000 motor.
Nice.
What are you doing?
These things supposed to be sticking out of here? This doesn't look right. Good stuff. I mean, you got parts of your motor that aren't even inside.
Someone used the term the other day at the drag strip, windowing a block.
Oh.
You know what that means?
I could have drawn my own conclusions. I don't know why you're talking to people that are windowing blocks. Sounds like you need some new friends.
Teddy said he's coming. We'll see if he just gets drunk or not.
Probably will.
He'll probably just get drunk up here. A couple more turn downs. Sweet. Got the ARP studs in it. Hopefully, what time is it now? About 2 o'clock. Teddy's gonna be here about 5, I bet, maybe 5:30. So hopefully he doesn't screw anything up. Hopefully he can help us get the motor in. Precision. Turbo.
It's hand tight, they said.
Yeah, hand tight with an Allen wrench. So anyways, we were gonna make it to Cars and Coffee, but this guy decided to, what did you do, Teddy?
I decided to not care about torque specs, and Hulkamania did this.
Snapped a nut off, or a bolt off into the head. So S2000's toast.
No, it's not.
We're gonna have to take it all apart, remachine the head, probably new block. Actually, new head, not the block. So.
I think the pistons are scrapped too.
Yeah, pistons scrapped. All the Brian Crowers rods, springs, in the garbage.
Spark plugs are still good.
In the garbage. All the fucking Brian Crower shit. Done.
What if your knock sensor was in there?
It probably is.
Anyways, Teddy toasted the S2000, so we won't be at Cars and Coffee, guys. We're sorry. But if you guys don't know, Teddy is actually about 7 feet tall.
On one leg.
This is
6'11" on the other.
this is comparison here.
Actual height.
Actual height. So, you have anything to say for yourself, Teddy?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, everybody.
Just for the record, there was only one bolt that Teddy tightened. That was it.
True. No, yeah, that's true.
The only one with a ratchet. So I guess
Yeah,
this
guns like
is
these,
this is the end of the YouTube channel. So I guess we'll see you guys sometime.